Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make this kitchen cleaners bottle just by using the 3D scans and modeling skill. Right, so start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. This is a Revopoint 3D scanner that I already set up, and the Revo Scans software is already ready for scanning. Now I just choose the high accuracy, the color scanning, so that I can get all of these textures. And then the next, what I'm going to do is just going to adjust the camera so that it faces to the bottom first. Right, now I can just start to scan. For all of these dices, just to capture the accuracy. So I try to start. Now the 3D scanner is working. It is scanning the bottom. I just let it to go one round. After that, I'm going to switch the camera up. Right, now it faces the middle. Just go one more round to make it complete, scan this part. And after that, I'm going to switch the camera up so that it can have a full scan. Just let it to go one round again to finish this part. Then I'm going to move up the camera again. Now you can see the tops unable to scan, so I'm going to move my camera up also. And just look at the top here. It should be okay to scan, but now you can see it already ran away. But it will automatic fix. Just because of, for all of these parts, it is too symmetry, and sometimes it cannot recognize. So I have to put my camera further away. Right, if it appeared 2 times, then I should just make it completed first and try to perform the fusion. I use the advanced. I can see it's almost done. And we are going to have a look. For this part we don't want, so I just click here, select this part and press delete to delete it. The rest will be okay. So now I delete this part as well. The rest I'm going to delete everything. For all of this, I select everything like this and press delete. Next is the bottom part. I just clear all of this. Then I click the isolation to let it automatically detect the isolation and apply it to clean the 3D model. Now, just left the bottom. Delete. Delete. Alright, now the bottom parts I'm going to delete it as well. And next step, I'm going to scan the bottom. To scan the bottom, I have to just click scan again. And then I'm going to switch the orientation. So now I scan in this way. Just try to start. Just let it go about 1.5 rounds. Now it should be okay already. I click complete. Then I'm going to clear the rest as well. Just go through the fusion first. Advanced. Now, next I'm going to clear the bottom part. Just use the same method. Delete it. Then I click merge. Merge two of these. Preview the alignment. Generate the model. Mesh. Right now, I just click the isolation, try to detect it, apply. Then you can see some holes here. I'm going to scan this part. Switch the orientation again. Scan. Right, now I try to scan. Just to make sure this part is perfect. Done, complete. Go to Fusion, apply again. Then I'm going to delete the unnecessary parts again. Delete. Then the bottom. Delete it. Then I'm going to merge this. So I just go to the merge these two, preview the alignment. Alright, now you can see all of the holes already filled. Once done, just generate the model. This should be the final one. Then isolation, detect. Not this one. Isolation, detect, apply. Then generate the mesh. The whole filling, just let it auto apply. Now the 3D mesh already generated. Next is the material texture. Just go to the texture, apply. It is going to bake all of the material texture into this 3D model. Now you can see it done. This 3D model already done. Then now I can export it. File, export. It's not here. Triple dot export texture model. Then I will just export it here. Desktop, OBJ, kitchen cleaner, 01. Okay, so we try to double click and check the 3D model. Next, we are going to fix the orientation. To fix the orientations, we need the blender. Press A and press delete to delete everything. Then click File, Import, FBX. But it is an OBJ, just import the OBJ first. On the desktop, OBJ, the scale, just put it as 0.001 and import the OBJ. Next, turn on the texture and then click the Z axis. Here should be the top, so we are going to rotate it, but not now. Just Ctrl Z. Click the Y first, make sure it rotates. The top face up, negative X, top face up, Y, then it's G. Have to let it just face up like this. Then Y. Alright, so for this time we need to fix it. Ctrl Z. And then we are going to move the pivot. Just to move it, Z, then Control full stop. Drag it to here, center. Then the X make it 0, Y make it 0. Next, just make sure it is at the bottom, so you click negative Y and Control full stop, drag it down, drag the pivot down, Control full stop, drag the pivot down to the bottom, then send it up 0, like this. Then look from the top, everything should be okay. Alright, next we just check it. If no problem, then just click and press Ctrl A, just reset to apply all the transforms, then Control full stop again. Now it doesn't have any of the transform already, and everything already set. This is 1 meter and this is exactly the same scale as the original. So here I click File, Save As. I save as a blend file, but before that you have to click File, External Data. Just pack all the material, then click File, Export FBX. Before that you just save it as a blend file. On the desktop, Kitchen Cleaner 01, save. Then click File, Export FBX. The path mode, you have to choose Copy and make sure it is highlighted. This is to make sure the material texture embedded inside the FBX. Then just click Export FBX. Now, the kitchen cleaner is already here, the FBX file, which you can use it in any other 3D software. This is the 3D scan versions of the kitchen cleaner bottle. You can use it immediately. If you double click the OBJ, and it is going to open the OBJ, but we don't use this anymore, just use the FBX. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a kitchen cleaner 3D models just by using the 3D scans and 3D modeling skills, so that you can make it become a digital 3D model that you can use it in your 3D animations and game developing software like the icons, blenders, Unreal Engines, etc. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!